Welcome back to Speed 998. Could the auditory essence of a jet turbine be transformed into an exquisite sculpture? The 2025 Ford GT concept appears to be a vehicle that is designed to delight the imagination and perform exceptionally well on the road. The design underscores orchestrated disorder, featuring expansive air intakes that are prepared to capture the horizon and fluid lines that direct wind. The illuminated Ford emblem and conspicuous flying buttresses are a bold, unapologetic declaration of performance. The cabin interior functions as a minimalist command center that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with luxury. A digital cockpit surrounds the driver with an uninterrupted stream of information, while carbon fiber bench seats provide precise support. An 8K curved touchscreen provides controls with the precision of a fighter jet's head-up display, HUD, and AI-driven driving modes customize each voyage to perfection. A potent 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, which is augmented by hybrid technology, is contained within its carbon fiber shell, generating 850 horsepower. The GT concept accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2.5 seconds. The Ford GT concept exemplifies a boldness that is uniquely American, even though competitors such as the Lamborghini Revuelto and McLaren 765 LT may pose a challenge to its speed. This is not merely a vehicle. It is a testament to the advancements in modern engineering, valued at $600,000. Depreciation appears to be an unfamiliar concept for this collector's dream, while maintenance and insurance expenditures are as high as their top speed. The GT concept exhibits an extraordinary degree of immediacy in response to each instruction when it is operated. What is its shortcoming? A journey is so flawless that it necessitates a driver of comparable courage.